Do you know biggest mistake every English learner do? That is, they just study English, but they do not use it. Here is a trick. You can speak a single sentence for a day, and it could be a little, but it sounds small. I know. You can say, instead of saying "Ami bhat khabo," instead of saying, you can say "I will eat." So here is a simple trick that you can use every day for an hour. I know it sounds small, but trust me, after a week you will feel more natural. So a single sentence for a day every hour, you can practice like that. Inshallah, your English will become more natural and more confident and fluent if you practice like that. And so start today. Do not scared about mistake. Are you ready?